Hi guys, welcome back to Get Gorgeous. So today I'm here with a very quick video with my daytime skincare, winter skincare routine. During winters, it is too cold, it is too harsh, your skin is very dry again, so you need like more of extra moisturizing and extra you need to take care of all those dry and patchy and flaky skin that you may have or you may not have during winters. I have a couple of new products in my skincare which I have been loving currently, so I just thought of sharing it with you guys. It's going to be a very quick video. The products are not necessarily like new introductions. I guess most of them are there in the market for quite some time now. I have started using them recently and I have been loving them recently. So yes, if you guys are interested to see my current skincare routine, then please keep on watching. Before we start, I'm just going to pull back on my hair. And please excuse my no makeup face. Since it was a skincare video, I thought why not show you guys my real skin and not wear any makeup for this video. So here it is. Starting off with cleanser. So I have been loving these two cleansers recently. One is from Plum Goodness. This is the chamomile and white tea skin revival face wash, and the other which I recently introduced myself to is the BIOTIQUE neem purifying face wash. So these both are like my absolute favorite recently. I have been loving to use them. I don't feel like my skin is pulling or makes it very dry even after washing my face with them. So that is why I have been loving it. So this one is for normal to combination skin, and this also is like for all skin type if I'm not wrong. And this one in particular is supposed to be like Ayurvedic. It has all therapeutic properties. It is not a cosmetic product, so that is why I have recently been loving all these organic and preservative free products. So I occasionally switch in between these two, okay, as far as my cleanser is concerned. So highly recommend this. I also like the green tea one which comes in this, the variant in the plum face wash, but for winters currently I'm using this one and this one, so absolutely love. And then after cleansing, what I like to do is tone my face. So the one which I have been loving currently, like absolutely love it, is the one from BIOTIQUE. Okay, this is their Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan water. So as I said, I'm so drawn to Ayurvedic things these days. So I really like it. It's not just that because it is Ayurvedic I really love it, but I really feel good. Like I really feel it's been quite some time that I've been using this and I absolutely love it. You can either use a cotton pad, but for me I don't use it on a cotton pad. What I like to do is, just to save on time and be very quick, I like to just pour some on my hand like so. Okay, and then what I would do is, I've just cleansed my face, so I'm just going to apply. So I just like to push this on my skin like this. Yeah, and then what I like to do is, I just like to let it absorb by my skin. I do not go over moisturizer immediately. Okay, so I just let it sit on my face, and once it is nice and dry, then I go in with moisturizer. So yeah, this is as far as the toner is concerned. Absolutely love it, highly recommend. Very affordable as well. I think this is priced at 175. The MRP is 175, but there are so many discounts going on, so you can always get it and save. So you can always save some money. So once I feel my skin has absorbed all the toner and it's nice and set for moisturizer, I move in with moisturizer, of course, hydrating my skin. So I have been obsessed with this one, the Plum Goodness Illuminance, I think, deep moisturizing cream, and I have been absolutely loving this. Trust me guys, this is so nourishing. It actually is deep nourishing cream, and I'm not kidding when I say this. I have finished the entire pot and I have ordered another one. It is not here with me because I have not received it yet, but I still wanted to share this with you guys that I am absolutely loving this. I highly recommend this product to the ones who are having dry skin, and especially in winters, I absolutely love it. It is so nourishing, it is super hydrating for my skin. So this is one thing you guys have to try. Absolutely love it. If not that, I have been also loving, and I don't know if you guys must have seen me using this in my videos. I have been loving this as well as my like absolute go-to moisturizer. This is the NIVEA Soft Light Moisturizer Cream. I absolutely love it. This is a 50 ml pot and it is priced at 80 bucks. So what I like to do is take some on my palms, rub it, and then massage it onto my skin. So this is an amazing moisturizer for daily wear. It is very lightweight and it is very hydrating, and it really is very effective in this winter, you know, approaching winters when you know, your skin feels very dry. It is not sticky at all, and that is one thing which I love, you know, when it comes to moisturizing my face. Like, I want something which instantly makes my skin feel very moisturized, very plump, very nourished, and very supple. At the same time, I want it to be very light. I don't want it to be very thick and heavy on my face or very sticky. This exactly does that, you know. Even the plum one, even this one is exactly like that, you know. Not sticky, not heavy on your face, but yet so nourishing and so moisturizing. So yes, I like to apply for winters. I like to go a little heavy with my moisturizer. Like once I've applied one layer, what I like to do is take some more and apply a second layer. Again, I don't like to go all in at once, you know. I like to apply it in layers. So yeah, I also apply that under my eyes. Please do not forget and ignore your under eyes and above your eyes. And I like to just massage it nicely. And yeah. So that's as far as the moisturizer is concerned. So once I'm done with that, I like to go in with a serum, and currently the serum that I've been using is right here. It's the UNLOC, I guess that is what it is called, MIXIFY Skin Serum, and this is the Skin Glow one. The variant is Skin Glow. So it is supposed to remove dead cell, exfoliate, and brighten your skin. And so I have been using this for some time now. I would say like over 15 to 20 days now, but I absolutely love it. So I have incorporated this in my everyday skincare routine lately, and I simply love it. So either I would add this in my moisturizer just to add on some more extra hydration. I go in with skin serums, and serums are a really good way to hydrate your skin, just because for a simple reason, you know, they really have the property to penetrate deeper into your skin than a moisturizer. So you know, that is going to help your skin have that you know, extra dose of hydration and moisturizer and all the vitamins and you know, things that are there in this serum. So it will penetrate deep into your skin, giving more you know, out of the product that you use. So that is why, like, moisturizer is going to just you know, moisturize the upper layer of your skin, if that makes sense, and this is going to help penetrate deep into your skin. So that is why I would highly recommend to, you know, have a skin serum in your you know, daily routine. It would really help. If not in the daytime, you can use this in the nighttime. I also use this in the nighttime. So basically I use it twice, day and night. So yeah, I really like to massage it then onto my face, forehead, a little quick massage on my cheeks, nose, under my eyes. So yeah, let me just talk you through this product. So yeah, this is cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free, and 100% vegan. So just in case if you guys are wondering. And then I would like to go in with my sunscreen. Even if I'm not going out, I have to wear my sunscreen. So this is the one that I have been loving. Not recently, it has been loved for so long now. Okay, this is the Lotus Sun Safe UV Screen sunscreen. Okay, it has SPF 50 once again for normal to oily skin. I just like to take a little bit on my hand Now the best part about this is it is gel based, okay, and it would not leave a white cast on your face. Like you won't even feel that you're wearing a sunscreen, because I've tried so many different other sunscreens but they leave that white cast, and yes, it does go away after some time, but I just don't like that. It feels so heavy, and this in turn, I mean, this feels like super light, and it just, you know, your skin just absorbs it. And yeah, I just love the whole formula of it. So absolutely love this, highly recommend. So once this all is done, my skin is all nice and hydrated, and I literally feel that, you know, it is ready to take all the harshness throughout the day. So once that is done, the last thing what I like to do is I just like to take a little towel and just scrub my lips, so that, you know, it's rid of all the dry flaky skin. And once that is done, I love to go over it with my lip balm. Of course, you also have to hydrate your lips, please do not ignore them. So current obsession is this one. This is the Himalayan lip cream. This is in the flavor Peach Shine. I really love this lip balm. Very thick, very you know, it's very thick and very nourishing. You know, you instantly feel that layer of moisture on your lips once you apply it. So you know, yeah, I mean, I just love everything about this product. So even it feels so yummy to apply, like, you know, the peach flavor is so yum. They have so many different variants in it, so you can totally check that out. And I highly recommend this even over Maybelline. I don't like Maybelline lip balms that much, how much I love this Himalayan one. So yeah, I highly recommend this. So just a little brief about it. It's 100% natural colors, 100% natural vitamin E, and free from preservatives, petroleum jelly, mineral oil and silicones. So that's for you guys. So yes guys, this brings us to the end of this video, and this is as far as my daytime skincare winter routine is concerned. All the products that I've shown you guys in this video are my current favorite, and you have to understand this, like, you know, all of us have different skin, different hair. So when it comes to skin and hair, the products you really need to try and then use and see what suits you. So yeah, they really work good for me, and I highly recommend them. But of course, again, it is like a trial and error. If you're trying something for the very first time, it may or may not suit you, so keep that in mind, okay? And I absolutely love them. They absolutely work great for me. So also I keep changing my skincare every now and then. So, you know, a lot of times you would see in my videos I'm doing something different or wearing something different. It's just because I love changing my product as per my skin, how it feels and how it looks, and also as per the season. Also, I've kept it very raw. You can see my real face. Like, I didn't want to put any makeup for this video, just so that you guys can see what my skin looks like. And yes, I hope you guys appreciate that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yes, if you are new here and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and take that minute to also hit the bell icon, and this would mean world to me. Yes, it would mean world to me, and it would motivate me to do more and more videos for you guys. And yes, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay super gorgeous. Bye.